Breaking news coming in at the moment. The top court, the Supreme Court, has dismissed Justice Varma's plea. The Supreme Court had on July 30th reserved judgment on Justice Yashwant Varma's petition, challenging the validity of the in-house inquiry process that confirmed allegations of unaccounted cash being recovered from his official residence in New Delhi. I can confirm to you, thanks to our reporters sending us confirmation regarding the fact that the Supreme Court has dismissed Justice Varma's plea. The Supreme Court says that this plea is not worth entertaining, so the plea has been rejected. We are, of course, waiting for our legal correspondent to join us with further clarity on the matter, but the Supreme Court has indeed dismissed Justice Varma's plea, adding that the plea is not worth entertaining. The Supreme Court has rejected Justice Yashwant Varma's writ petition, challenging the in-house inquiry report, which indicted him in the unaccounted cash row, and CGI's recommendation for removal. This was decided by a bench of Justices Dipankar Datta and Justice A.G. Masi. The first point they've noted is his conduct did not inspire confidence. This is what the Supreme Court has clearly said, adding that the procedure adopted by CGI has legal sanction and is constitutional. The breaking news we're tracking at the moment, the Supreme Court has indeed dismissed Justice Varma's plea, adding that the conduct did not inspire any confidence. This is what we're tracking on NDTV at the moment. The Supreme Court rejecting Justice Varma's plea. Do remember, this writ petition challenged the in-house inquiry report which indicted him in the unaccounted cash row. Nupur Dogra has been tracking the latest for us. She joins us live at the moment. Nupur, take us through the latest developments.
Well, in a big development, the Supreme Court in fact rejected the petition filed by Justice Yashwant Varma. The court found that none of his arguments had any grounds, and it also said that the procedure adopted by the Chief Justice of India was indeed legal, had legal sanction, and was in fact has found its place in the Constitution. It is a big setback for Justice Yashwant Varma from the Supreme Court, and in fact, the Supreme Court has observed in its verdict that the conduct by Justice Yashwant Varma did not inspire any confidence, and if he had any problem with the procedure being adopted by the then CGI, Sanjiv, he should have objected then and there only. So this is in fact a very big setback for Justice Yashwant Varma. Whereas relief from the Supreme Court is concerned, he has got none.
Right. So clearly, Nupur, the Supreme Court has said that the procedure by the ex-CGI has legal sanction while dismissing this plea?
Yes, of course. This is in fact a stand taken by the bench headed by Justice Dipankar Datta of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said that there was a complete legal sanction, and there is nothing violative of the Constitution in the procedure that has been adopted by the Chief Justice of India.